Bluebird and Coyote. Long ago, Bluebird was not blue. She was gray and dull. How did she get her color? One day, Graybird saw a lake. It was beautiful. A blue butterfly was at the lake. How did you get your color? Asked Graybird. It is from the lake, said Butterfly. This is how to get it, said Butterfly. Go in the lake. Do it 4 days in a row. Then thank the lake. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4. Graybird did this. Then she was blue. Thank you, lake. Long ago, Coyote was green. Coyote saw Bluebird. How did you get your color? Asked Coyote. I will tell you, said Bluebird, and she did. Coyote went in the lake, but he did all 4 dips in 1 day. Once he was blue, Coyote got out. He did not thank the lake. Coyote ran off to tell his friends, but Coyote fell. He went down, down, down a big hill. Coyote got up. Now he was all dusty and dull. To this day, Bluebird is blue and Coyote is dusty gray.